So I just came across this problem, and I'm also not a Giga Chat specialist in these topics, but I'm also learning, and with me you are also learning. So why am I facing this problem? As I have my centralized exchanges. What are centralized exchanges? These are some of the crypto centralized exchanges that you can see: Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, a lot more. And these centralized exchanges are something like, if I want to tell you what is a centralized exchange and what is a decentralized exchange. Centralized exchange has a middleman in between. Like, this transaction is happening from you to the other person, and there is in between a bank. That is a centralized exchange. Here the Binance team is. Okay, and then second thing, there is decentralized exchange, when you are directly transferring your money to the second party and there is no person in between. There's just a small gas fee in crypto, and here is a fixed fee. And now if I tell you, I just created a great slide for you guys. For just you guys, I do this much work. Let's see. So what we will be going to use is MetaMask. It is a very popular decentralized exchange, and this is your gateway to the decentralized web. Let's learn it. And what is MetaMask? So MetaMask is a crypto wallet that stores Ethereum, Solana, and other tokens that you can have. This is just same as the Binance, but it is decentralized. It does not is the middleman in between. Then it has a browser extension. It also has a mobile app. Today we are going to see the browser extension. Mobile app is also the same. It is a web3 gateway. And then how it works is, there is a person, you created a wallet, and then MetaMask just manages your keys and signals the transactions, and everything is happening on the blockchain. And the secret recovery phrase you have, that is your wallet. You have to secure that. You have to put it somewhere where you are never going to forget it. Otherwise you are also going to have 10,000 bitcoins and you are going to throw them in the dustbin. That is happened with some guys. And then how to deposit money? You can deposit with card, bank, exchange, and receive from a wallet. So what I'm going to do is, this thing where I want to pay just has this option to have money from decentralized exchanges. So I have Binance. I have top up some money in the Binance, and I'm going to transfer that Binance money into this MetaMask wallet. And then we are going to see buying directly in the MetaMask. You have to open the MetaMask, click buy, select a provider. We are going to see these things. And then transfer from an exchange, log in into your exchange, go to send. I'm going to send you this HTML I'm going to send you these slides if you want. And how to withdraw money, these are the steps to withdraw the money. We are going to see all of that, and you are ready to use MetaMask. So let's just do it. So what you have to do is, you just have to come to a browser, and then you have to search for MetaMask. When you search for MetaMask, you just get this website. When you click on this website, it just comes like this. Oh wow, whoa Fox, yo. Just click on get MetaMask. When you click on get MetaMask, you are going to select Google Chrome. If you have another browser, you can select that. Here you just click on add to Chrome, add extension. It is just adding into my Chrome, installing. It maybe take a couple of seconds, and after installing, it is just adding to the Chrome. And I will be also creating a video on Open Router. If you don't know guys, Open Router, I am also going to create a video on Open Router, as Open Router is the one platform where you can get a API key and you can use various LLM models that are out there in the market. So MetaMask has been added to the Chrome. So we will just click here, extensions, pin this thing, and here's the MetaMask. I want to create a wallet, and I want to continue with Google Chrome. So I just use my email ID. I just click on continue. I just create a new password. Okay, click on create. Scan the QR code and download the app. I don't want to download the app. Your wallet is ready. I want to open the wallet. and the wallet has been added. Okay. I have this account number 1, and that is how you can create an account in MetaMask. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.